Hey, it's Matt Holmes here from V8 Video Academy. Now, editing videos is something that holds a lot of people back from using video at all. So in this video, I want to show you just how easy it is to edit videos on your iPhone or your iPad using a fantastic app called iMovie. So let's dive right into it. Okay, so here we are inside iMovie. Now this is the first screen you'll see when you open the iMovie app. So to get started, we're going to press the Create Project button, and you'll see two options here for a new project. We've got Movie and we've got Trailer. Now we want to select Movie here, so we'll tap on Movie. So now we're in iMovie's actual editor. So let's give you a quick tour of the interface here. So in the top left, we've got the Done button. Now this will save your project and exit the timeline. The next one down, the plus icon, that's to add clips into your timeline. The play icon on the bottom left, that is to watch your video through. Top right, the question mark, that is some tooltips and some general top tips from iMovie about using the app. The next one down is the settings menu, and the bottom right is the undo button to undo your last few actions. Okay, so now we're going to import some footage. So we'll tap on the plus icon on the left hand side here, and it will bring up some video footage that's stored on the iPhone. So for this video, I'm just going to select this clip at the top here, which is me speaking to camera for this video in fact. So we'll tap on that, and then we're going to tap on the plus icon on the left hand side that pops up when you tap on it, and that will bring it straight into the timeline in iMovie. And as you can see, if I just pan to the left or the right with my finger, it's going to drag the timeline through the video clip. So the first thing that we want to do when bringing in a clip like this is to trim the beginning and the end of the clip. So to do that, we'll just tap on the clip in the timeline, and it's going to surround it with the yellow box. So what we could do now is just drag on the yellow bar at the end of the clip here, and we'll just drag it to the right to find the beginning of the clip, just somewhere around about here. So we'll leave that about there, that's good. And now we're going to do the exact same with the end, so we're going to drag the timeline all the way to the end, and again we'll tap on the clip and drag the end bar in to find the end point, which is around about there somewhere. Cool. So let's say that I had a bit of a fluff up in the middle, which I probably did, so I'm going to pretend it's around here somewhere. So we'll tap on the clip, and now we can see that the clip's selected with the yellow box around it, so we're just going to choose split down in the bottom menu here on the right, and that's going to split the clip. And we can do that again, let's say around here somewhere. So we'll tap on the clip here, select split, and if we wanted to, we can delete this clip here. So we can tap on that and press delete in the bottom right corner, and that's going to delete that part of the clip for us. So if we wanted to add a transition between these two clips here, which for this type of video I wouldn't normally be doing, but for this video I'm just going to show you how you would do that. So you see this line in the middle between the two clips here, we'll tap on that, that's a transition. So at the moment there's no transition between these two clips. But what we can do a dissolve, a slide, a wipe, or a fade. So I'm just going to select a slide here. And now if we drag the timeline back before the transition and just tap the play button, there we go, there's our little transition. Now if you wanted to remove that, we can just tap on the transition again and go back to none. Or we can try a different transition. So if we wanted to add a B-roll clip, a clip on top of this original clip here, so let's say I was talking about my dog, for example, and I want a clip of my dog to come into the video. We can do that by tapping the plus icon on the left hand side again, and find a clip of my dog down here somewhere, or two dogs. So instead of tapping the plus icon like we did last time, we're going to tap on these two squares here. We'll tap on that, and that's going to pop it in on top of the original video. So here we go, here's the clip of Loki this is. He's a 3-year-old whippet. So let's just say we wanted a few seconds of this. So we're going to tap on the clip again and bring the end in a few seconds, and then we don't want all of it. So what I'm going to do here is go to about there, just before this transition we've got in here. I'm going to tap on the clip, select split, and then I'm going to delete this part of the clip here that's highlighted in yellow. Press delete, and there we go. So we can just run back here a bit, press our play icon to preview the video. Cool, there we go. Okay, so the next thing we might want to do is add a title at the beginning of the video. So to do that, we're going to tap on the clip of me again, and we're going to press the little T icon in the bottom left here. So at the moment it's set to none, so there's no title, but what we can do is add a, let's say a name strap for example. So I might want the name strap to look something like this one, the standard. So we can have it in the middle here, which is set to by default by the center selection at the bottom of your screen here, or we can select lower, and that'll put it in the bottom third of the screen. So to edit your text, just tap on the text in your video preview here, and it'll bring up your keyboard, so we can just delete that text here, type in whatever text you want, and press done. And we do the same with the bottom text here as well. So I'll just delete that bit. Cool. Okay, so we'll just watch that through. Go back to the beginning. There we go. Okay, so I've got my title in now, so if I wanted it to just be on screen for a few seconds, the way you do that, because at the moment it's on for the whole of this clip, which we don't want. So to get around that, what we need to do is, let's move along a few seconds here, and we'll tap on the clip here and select split again. Okay, so I'll split the clip, and now the title is only on for this clip here. And by default, what it's done is it's faded the title on at the beginning and off at the end nicely. So that's cool. So the next thing we'll do is adjust the volume. So to do that, we'll tap on the clip, and on the bottom left here, we've got a few icons, and we'll just choose the middle one, which is the speaker. And then we can play around with the volume to adjust it to how we want it to be. And if you want to preview your video with the audio, just tap the play icon and it will play it through with the audio. So next, let's add some music to this video. So to do that, we'll tap on the plus icon again on the left here, and we'll scroll down to audio. And then we can choose some audio that's on our phone, or we can just select music that comes with iMovie. So we'll tap on theme music here, and we'll just select this top one here, bright, and it's going to give us a sample of the music. We can then press use, and it's going to drag it into the timeline, and it's automatically going to line it up with the beginning of the video. And again, if we wanted to adjust the volume of the music we've just brought in, we can just tap on that and then adjust the volume to suit. Now the next thing you might want to do is adjust the color of your clips. Now iMovie doesn't offer full color correction. Instead, what it offers is filters similar to what you find on Instagram. So if we wanted to add a filter to our video, we just tap on the video clip, and in the bottom left here we can see the three circles here. This represents the color or the filters, and then we can just have a play and see the sort of filters that we think will work for our video. So I'll select the blockbuster one for now. Now this will just apply this filter to this particular clip. Now if we wanted to apply this filter to the whole video, what we do is tap on the settings icon on the right hand side here and select a project filter, and this will apply your chosen filter to the whole project rather than just that individual clip. So we'll select that and press done. So next, what we might want to do is add a fade in and a fade out at the beginning and end of the video, which is really easy to do in iMovie. So what we need to do is just tap on the settings icon again, and down here we can see fade in from black and fade out to black. So we'll just turn both of these on and press done. And there we go. So what we can do now is just tap on the play icon, and there you go. You can see that it's faded up from black. And if we now scroll to the end of our video and just press play, it's got a little fade out there. So finally, once you're done, you'll want to upload your video to YouTube or Facebook or Vimeo. So to do that, we'll just tap on the done button in the top left of your screen. So now we just want to tap on the share icon in the bottom middle of your screen. And we've got various options up here, the most likely one being uploading to YouTube. But we've also got options down the bottom here to save it to your iPhone, to iTunes or your iCloud Drive. So there you have it. I hope now you can see just how easy it is to edit videos on your iPhone or your iPad. Now, if you want to take your filming to the next level with your iPhone, don't forget to check out my free guide, 10 steps to producing awesome videos with your iPhone. You can grab your copy through the link in the description below this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.